In this video, I will show you how to connect Klaviyo to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and create an email campaign and generate a full marketing performance report. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and choose Klaviyo from the available platforms. To connect Klaviyo, you need a private API key. Follow the setup guide to create one. In Klaviyo, go to Settings, then API Keys, and click Create Private API Key. Name it InsightfulPipe or any name you want. Select Full Access Key and click Create. Copy the private API key. This is the only time it will be visible. Back in InsightfulPipe, paste the API key and click Test and Connect. The Klaviyo connection is saved. Now copy the Klaviyo MCP server URL from the guide page. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the Klaviyo MCP URL and click Add. The Klaviyo connector is now connected to Claude. Now let's use it. Write a prompt, asking Claude to create a new email campaign in Klaviyo with a subject line and preview text. The prompt also asks Claude to create a customer list, add subscriber profiles, and generate a coupon code for the campaign. Claude creates everything step by step. It builds the list, adds the profiles, creates the campaign, sets the subject line, and generates the coupon. Here it is in Klaviyo. The spring promotion campaign is scheduled and ready to send to the spring promo audience. Now let's analyze the data. Write a second prompt asking Claude to pull campaign performance, audience activity, and flow metrics from Klaviyo. The prompt also asks for engagement trends and recommendations to improve future email and SMS campaigns. Claude pulls campaigns, lists, segments, profiles, and flows all in parallel, then builds the report. Here is the Klaviyo Marketing Performance Report. It covers campaign performance, audience insights, and a full account health score. The report also highlights critical gaps like missing automated flows and includes prioritized recommendations to improve engagement. That's Klaviyo connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.